Viewers, welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. I create a video, attractive Ikebana Floral arrangement. Please like and subscribe my channel. Stop and smell the roses. Bloom where you're planted. Flowers are the poetry of nature. A flower is a smile from the earth. In a world of thorns, be a flower. Flowers speak louder than words. Let your dreams blossom. Petals carry the whispers of love. Life is better with flowers. Beauty begins with a single bloom. Flowers are the stars of the earth. Happiness blooms from within. Bloom with grace, even in adversity. Flowers are nature's gift to the heart. Keep growing like a wildflower. A flower doesn't compete, it blooms. Flowers make the soul blossom. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Love grows among the flowers. Flowers bring joy to every season. Brighten the world with your bloom. Wildflowers grow in unexpected places. Flowers are life's most delicate art. Bloom beautifully, fearlessly, and freely. A garden of flowers is a garden of dreams. Flowers are sunshine for the soul. In every flower, there's hope. Live life in full bloom. Flowers are a reminder to keep blooming. A single flower can brighten a room. Flowers are love's truest expression. Let your life blossom like spring. Flowers bring color to the soul.